Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best solar batteries is probably one of the most important components of any solar panel system, ensuring you have reliable power even when the sun isn't shining. Choosing the right battery can be tricky, with various types, capacities, and chemistries available, each with its own set of pros and cons that directly impact your system's performance, lifespan, and overall cost-effectiveness. This video will help you navigate the complexities of solar batteries and make an informed decision for your specific needs. Number 5. Renogy 100Ah AGM Battery. Renogy AGM batteries have earned global trust, with over 230,000 units sold in just 6 years. Experience the reliability and performance that have made us a leader in the industry. It offers exceptional safety thanks to its chemically stable AGM design. The sealed, integrated structure eliminates the need for complex internal troubleshooting, unlike some lithium batteries. This battery boasts superior discharge performance, even in extreme temperatures, from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Power your appliances reliably, whether you're in an RV, cabin, or anywhere in between. With a max discharge current of 1100 A, it easily powers most home appliances. From refrigerators and microwaves to laptops and coffee makers, it handles the load with ease. Enjoy a long shelf life with a low 3% monthly self-discharge rate. No need for frequent recharging when it's not in use, it's ready when you are. Choose Renogy for reliable power, exceptional safety, and outstanding performance. It's the perfect solution for RVs, camping, marine, and off-grid applications. What we like. It boasts exceptional safety and a high max discharge current, ideal for powering most home appliances. If you prioritize safety and need to power multiple devices simultaneously, this is the one for you. Its reliable performance makes it perfect for RVs, cabins, or any off-grid situation where safety and power are paramount. What people say. It holds a great charge, works well, and charges well off the solar panel on the roof. Battery comes with a pack of bolts and washers in the event you need them for your application. Has charged and held charge well. Kind of heavy, but lead acid works and charges better outside in the cold. We gave it attached to 100-watt solar panel and run an electric fence energizer and a Wi-Fi extender off the battery. Works well, charges well, even in cold and wet snow. Number 4. ECO-worthy 200W Solar Kit. This kit has everything you need to start harnessing solar power. It's perfect for beginners and includes all the necessary components for easy setup. It's ideal for RVs, campers, boats, and more. Take the power of the sun with you wherever you go. These panels are built to last, with a durable aluminum frame and tempered glass. They boast high conversion efficiency to maximize energy output. The included lithium battery offers thousands of recharge cycles, far outlasting traditional lead-acid batteries. Enjoy reliable power for years to come. The pure sine wave inverter provides clean, reliable AC power for your devices. It's efficient and powerful, ensuring you have the energy you need. This kit is designed for ease of use. Even beginners can easily set it up and start enjoying the benefits of solar power. What we like. This all-in-one kit is perfect for beginners. It includes a long-life lithium battery and an efficient inverter. If you're new to solar power and want a simple, efficient setup, this kit is your best bet. It's great for RVs, campers, or anyone looking for an easy-to-use solar solution. What people say. Setup was so fast and easy. Everything came within 2 days, in Cali, and the description tells you it will come in multiple boxes. In the summer, this works amazing. With my setup, I cannot run the batteries out. During the day, they're charging more than I can use them. When they're fully charged, they're not going to run out overnight with my setup. I leave my camper van fridge on all summer as a beverage fridge, even when I'm not camping. The panels work fine and correctly measure on voltmeter going into fuse box. Number 3. ExpertPower 5 kWh Solar Kit. This kit provides a complete solar power solution for various applications, from RVs to off-grid setups. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. It features our cutting-edge LiFePO4 battery, known for its extended lifespan and superior performance compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. Enjoy thousands of charge cycles and a decade of reliable power. This comprehensive kit includes 2 high-capacity LiFePO4 batteries, 6 efficient solar panels, a powerful inverter, and a smart charge controller. Everything you need is included for a seamless installation. The built-in Bluetooth allows you to monitor your battery's health and performance using a convenient mobile app. Stay informed about charge levels, temperature, and any potential issues. It uses an advanced MPPT charge controller to maximize solar energy capture, ensuring you get the most out of your solar panels. This technology is far more efficient than traditional PWM systems. The 3 kW pure sine wave inverter provides clean power for your devices, and a built-in charger efficiently replenishes your batteries. It seamlessly switches between shore power and battery power. Easily expand your system by adding more batteries in series or parallel configurations to meet your growing energy needs. This ensures scalability and future-proofing. What we like. It offers an incredibly long lifespan and smart features for easy monitoring. The large capacity and built-in Bluetooth monitoring make it a top choice. If you need a long-lasting, high-capacity battery with smart monitoring capabilities, this is the ideal option for your off-grid system. It's perfect for RVs, trailers, or any application requiring reliable, long-term power. What people say. Everything was great, had some slight issues that was easily fixed. This product looks to be good quality. I purchased it for off-grid camping. Easy to install. Number 2. WEIZE 12V100Ah battery. This powerful battery is perfect for a variety of applications, from RVs and solar systems to marine and off-grid setups. It's built to last, with a long lifespan and low self-discharge rate. Boasting a 1150A max discharge current, it delivers reliable power when you need it most. It's the ideal solution for high-demand applications. It's suitable for RVs, solar systems, camping, cabins, marine uses, and off-grid systems. It also works great in wheelchairs, scrubbers, and more. This sealed lead-acid battery is maintenance-free and spill-proof, making it safe and convenient to use. Enjoy worry-free power for years to come. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions, providing reliable power in any situation. It's a durable and long-lasting solution for your power needs. From electric vehicles and golf carts to hunting equipment and lawn tools, it's versatile enough to power a wide range of devices. It's also perfect for industrial and medical equipment. We stand behind our product with exceptional customer support. Contact us directly if you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help. What we like. This deep cycle battery offers a high discharge current and is incredibly reliable. If you need a powerful and dependable battery for various applications, this is a great choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of uses, from RVs and solar systems to industrial equipment. What people say. I bought 2 of the 100 amp-hour, 12V, AGM batteries about 2 years ago for an off-grid RV on our property in the mountains and have them connected to 2 150-watt solar panels. I have had absolutely no issues with the batteries and they power everything we need to camp, including providing power to a 700-watt pure sine wave inverter that we use intermittently for our 120V appliances. The battery is heavy, but we do not carry them around, so no big deal. These came charged and showed 12.3V when I connected them up to my system. Purchased 4 to replace deep cycle lead-acid batteries used in the coach of our motorhome. This unit has a residential refrigerator that uses the inverter charger to power the unit when dry parked, so batteries get a lot of use. The battery was measured at 13.2 volts on arrival and was packaged very well. Pictured is the battery attached in parallel with 2 other sealed lead-acid batteries used to store energy on my experimental 12-volt solar system. All my batteries are sealed valve-regulated lead-acid batteries. Number 1. PowerECO 200W Solar Panel. It boasts high-quality solar cells for superior efficiency. This ensures you maximize power generation, even in less than ideal conditions. The tempered glass layer offers excellent light transmission and protection. It's built to withstand impacts and harsh weather. Its space-saving design is more efficient than using multiple smaller panels. This simplifies installation and reduces power loss. With a corrosion-resistant frame and waterproof components, it's ready for any outdoor environment. It can handle wind, snow, and extreme temperatures. It's perfect for off-grid applications, from RVs and boats to greenhouses. It's also backed by an extensive warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It features high efficiency and a compact design, making it perfect for space-saving installations. If you value efficiency and a smaller footprint, this is the panel for you. Its durability and compact size make it ideal for boats, caravans, or any application where space is limited. What people say. Arrived in good condition, packaged well, no damage, both seem to put out the same amount of watts. Bought 10 of these 200W panels to mount on my RV. I was so impressed with the material build quality and the power output for their size that I ordered another 6 panels for another RV. I started off with 3, liked them so much I now have 10 plugged into my EcoFlow Pro. In full sun I did get the 200 watts. I now have 2 parallel sets of 5 in series. Was recently producing over 1,400 watts at 150 feet of 8 gauge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.